Calamba Mayor Justin Chipeco is proud of the achievements of this young beauty from their city. Jihaynne Jirah Shamah Hernandez has been crowned Miss Teen International Philippines 2021. Hernandez will be the country's representative to the Mr. and Miss Teen International. Chipeco congratulated Hernandez when she paid a courtesy call to the mayor. The Calamba beauty will be competing in the international pageant in October in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Chipeco is confident their homegrown teen queen will do well in the pageant.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.